Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home. So children, today we will do orange color activity. Now children, tell me, which fruit is orange in color? Yes children, you are correct. And orange is orange in color. For doing this activity, we need white plain paper, pencil, green crayon color, poster colors, one bangle for making a circle, and earbud. So children, let's start the activity. First we have to make a circle. Now draw leaves. So children, for doing this activity we need orange color. But children, I don't have orange color. So let's make orange color. First take yellow color. Then add red color. And then mix it. Children, see, our orange color is ready. Now children, dip the earbud in the color and print on paper. So children, it's very easy and it's very interesting. Now children, color the leaves with green crayon color. Children, see, our orange is ready. So children, do this activity at home. So children, that's all for today. Bye-bye. Take care.